Welcome to the channel. Today I will show you how you can turn the picture to the PDF file without any app. So in the first step we have to choose the photo that we want to save in PDF. I choose that one for example. Now just click here on this three-dot icon and look for the print. You can also, if you don't have something like that, you can also click share and choose print again. You can see this is our photo, so now just choose save a PDF. Now just click here to save it and choose the location. And that's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.